Anywhere you go, give it all.
My YouTube beautiful gems. 여러분 잘 지냈어요? 잘 지냈어요? 잘 지내고 있어요? 나는 잘 지냈어요. Today I'm going to Daejeon and I would take you on what will I call this? Kind of like a day. Let's go to Daejeon.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
It's a cheese. Hanyangdae Daejeon campus. It's so cold, guys. You should always wear your hand gloves when it's cold like this. And I know I've been away for too long, but I'm going to share this Daejeon journey with you before the sun goes down, because these days the sun sets by like 5 p.m. So now it's still like I think 3 or 4. I'll try my best to take as much as I can take. I'll share with you. Happy fall!
It's winter. It's winter. It's winter already.
Happy winter!
It's winter already.
Okay.
Kaja.
We made it without getting lost, and now we are in downtown Daejeon. department store. Ah. It looks very bougie, right? Come on, my brightness is messed up. Chai. See, like, after searching and not seeing anything that my friend wanted at the underground store, we came to Say department store to see if we would find something different. So now I will take you into Say department store from the start. Guys, have you seen Kim Dali and the Cocky Prince? That's Dali there. And if you know your K-dramas, you will also know this Oppa right here. Let me show you him life size. Life size. Takne style. I guess he is the lead guy for Monster Parker. Leaving now. So Daejeon Yok. Hi guys, we have come to the end of this visit to Daejeon. We've come to the end of the visit to Daejeon, and we'll be going to Nonsan back. Yeah, so Daejeon. I will show you to Daejeon now. Thank you for being with me on this journey, and see you in my next video. Subscribe, comment, like, and do all the things you do to support me.
Share with your friends.
Share with your friends
And loved ones. And
yeah,
family
and check out
members.
Nonye's channel too.
Yes.
I'll put a link in the description.
Annyeong.
Annyeong. So Daejeon station. So that's the Daejeon station.